The crypto market is pulling back right now, but this is a massive bear trap. They're using all of these bears for exit liquidity to pump the markets massively. We have even Elon Musk tweeting about Dogecoin. He hasn't tweeted about Dogecoin like this in many years. There is a lot going on right now. This is the biggest shakeout I've ever seen. This is literally the biggest bear trap I have ever seen. And in this video, we're gonna be talking about where Bitcoin and cryptos are headed. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and you're gonna wanna stick around to the end. I have something very important to share with you. So last night, Elon Musk posting about him being the Doge father. This is very bullish for altcoins. I think Dogecoin is going to do really good. I personally have a bag of Dogecoin. I think XRP is going to do good here as far as altcoins are concerned. In the next few weeks, in the next few months, especially as this X Money app comes out, I think that's really going to have a huge impact on the price of Dogecoin and potentially XRP, as they are both collaborators in X Money. But what is going on with Bitcoin? Bitcoin has already pulled back 9%. Bitcoin has already pulled back 9%, which is about the average. You will see Bitcoin, since Bitcoin has been in this range, you will see Bitcoin pull back around 10, 9, 10% is pretty much the average. 9 to 10% is about the average. Every single time Bitcoin pulls back about 9 to 10%, it bounces up 100% of the time since Bitcoin has been in this range. Personally, what I see for Bitcoin is a bottom is grinding out. The lows are continuing to get higher. Not only that, the highs are continuing to get higher, and the market is pulling back right now because people are taking profits. That is the main thing. We just pumped up a lot. Altcoins pumped up a lot, so we're gonna pull back. That's very normal to be expected. But on top of it, we have oil fear, oil FUD. Brent oil surging to $116 yesterday. And a part of this, the reason why we're also pulling back is because Israel struck some oil infrastructure in Iran, and Iran struck back some more oil infrastructure out in the Middle East. So this is causing more inflation fears. It's causing more oil fears. But we get this oil news, this oil FUD literally every single week since this war has started at this same exact time and day. Usually Thursdays, we get this oil FUD and Fridays. So the markets have been selling off nearly every single Thursday, which is also a part of this whole manipulation. So personally, what I think is happening is we are pulling back, normal healthy pullback. There is FUD, but I do think that there is going to be a resolution to this FUD regarding oil. If you take a look at oil futures now, it's not going absolutely parabolic. It's forming a lower high, and it looks kind of weak in my opinion. So all the oil fear and FUD out there is just a way to get people to panic, It's a part of the manipulation. But it's possible Bitcoin could pull back as low as 65,000. You can see there is a lot of bids stacking up for Bitcoin all the way to 60. Actually, the bids are even stacking up to 64,000, but you have a lot of bids stacked between around 67,000. So I think if Bitcoin pulls back, we could probably pull back to 66, 67,000 before finding a bounce. And from our current level, that is a 3% move, so not the end of the world. There's also even bids stacked up under price now. And as you can see, the order book depth ratio is spiking, net positive. So there's a lot of buyers stacking under price here. We have the order pressure bands as well. There is a lot of buyers stacking under price, as we visually saw with that heat map. So it's a normal Thursday pullback. We should start to bounce and bottom out, carve a bottom out of this small pullback and correction within the next 24 hours or so. Unless there's some more bad news tomorrow that comes out, that could bleed us out through the weekend, and then we usually pump on Sunday, Monday, and bottom out. After we do bounce and bottom, I do think we are going to see 80K probably by next week. If everything continues bullish and everything looks normal, I think we could probably see $80,000 by the end of the month. So like next week, the next 10 days or so, I think we're going to see $80,000. I personally do not see new lows being made now, especially with the strength of how altcoins have been performing, how the market is looking, all the absorption we are seeing. A lot of sellers have stopped. We're seeing a lot of buyers coming in. Coinbase premium is spiking. We see whales are loading up. The ETFs are loading up. It's very bullish. It's very bullish. And we have gone down 6 months in a row down. So the chances of a bounce after a 50% pullback for Bitcoin and the chance of a move up is extremely likely, extremely high. The only thing that is holding the crypto market up right now, causing the selling pressure, is the oil fears. This oil FUD, this oil fears that keeps happening. And that's probably going to continue to happen until there's some type of resolution or peace with the war. So the war is causing the market to chop. It's preventing cryptos from breaking out, including stocks. But I think it's going to be over soon. I think it's going to be over soon. They need to end this war. And as soon as this war ends, the market is going to pump and rally like you've never seen before. If you guys want to follow and copy my profitable trades, join my community. You guys can try today, 30 days free in the Whop. And if you're going to be trading cryptos, make sure you trade over on Blofin. This is a platform where you can long and short cryptos up to 150x leverage. And if you guys use my link, they're going to give you a $1,000 deposit bonus, and you're going to have the cheapest fees on the platform. If you guys got anything out of the video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, retweeting it, sharing with a friendly family member. Let me know your thoughts about the video in the comments below, and I'll see you later.